the fuck is you talking about? Fuck the bitch, keep my age.
good time. It rained on us, and we still stayed in.
Yes, sir.
But all right, we're gonna start with the top 5. Results are in.
Give it to me straight, dog.
Reason I can give it to you, dog. Might be a little bit. All right, this is in no particular order. Top 5 is Randy Steele for the Ford F100 right here.
Oh, yeah.
Come claim your prize, Randy Steele. Get your picture took.
Picture taking time.
Who's taking pictures?
Tina, are you going to take
I had my
pictures?
camera. I'm not good at camera.
All right, well, here.
Who's camera recording?
You want me to take pictures? Tina, you take pictures of them?
Take pictures.
It's backwards. There you go.
Happy dance. Yeah.
It's not a top S, it's a top 5.
Oh, my bad.
All right. The next is Riley Jackson, Chevy Suburban.
Rally.
That motherfucker's squatting, boy, let me tell you.
All right. Hey. Hold it the other way. Kenzie, keep going back.
Yes, sir.
All right. Next top 5. Dakota Timke, 2,500 to the dollar.
Oh, yeah.
You look like you deserve an award.
Yeah. Happy as a mother. Next one is Gabe Helms, the GMC Sierra.
Wait, me?
Yes, sir.
No.
There we go, gang.
Well, yeah.
He's new to the game.
There we go.
Look at me, boy.
No, why did I get that? I didn't want to do that, man.
Last top 5 is Mason Bennett, GMC 3500.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's what's up. Oh, yeah. Y'all got to get that picture. See that? Let's see it, bro. Come on.
And now smile.
Hey, just throw it out here. All right, the best car award, Evie Cooley and the Chevy Camaro right here.
That's what I'm talking about. Hell yeah.
Get it, girl. They're a little wet, but they draw.
That's all right. Hold on.
Wait, am I there yet?
You passed that.
It's over here. You way past that.
All right. Best truck award goes to Mason Jackson and the Avalanche.
Yeah! Yes, sir. Oh,
Get your fingers wet on that one.
Fast truck on that.
yes, sir.
All right, the ship box. Best bike. I'm sorry, best bike.
Best bike.
Best bike goes to Dustin Hatley.
Whoa!
Where you at, Dustin? Get on up here, boy.
Dustin, get your ass up here, boy.
And he's going to win the 50-50, obviously.
Hell yeah, brother. Let me take your
We got it. We got it.
Whatever.
Now the shitbox award.
Hold on now, brother. I know. Hold on now, brother.
Shitbox award goes to CJ Price.
Yes, sir. I caught it. Boy. I caught it. Go ahead and toss that bitch up. That's your fish. Turn around. Hold on, you gotta hold it. Put it on your hood.
Oh my gosh. CJ, turn around.
Yes, sir. Attaboy, attaboy.
Yeah, that's half of it. Yeah. Big 525.
All right, 50-50. Get your tickets out. 50-50. The 50-50 was $525 total.
I think I got it, baby.
So
There we go, brother.
Hold your breath now.
So half of that is what?
What's up, brother?
262.50 is the winning amount.
Hold on now, brother. Hold on now, brother.
Did Raylan pick this? Yes. Raylan picked this ticket.
What was the number?
Y'all ready?
We're ready.
5992769.
Who got it?
Wait, Logan.
276.
What's up, brother?
What's up, brother?
What's up, brother?
Oh no! My truck ass got it. I'm sorry.
Your drunk ass got it.
My truck ass got it. I got you. Wait, what made it there?
We gotta get this.
Give me the jug. Give me the
Say,
jug.
bet GM. Hey,
Hold on, that man.
One second. Hold on, 1 second.
Don't hit that fan dude.
Help me put my glasses on. fuck is you talking about? Fuck the bitch, keep my ease. Swing that bitch, swing that bitch. Swing that motherfucker.